Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is January 24th, it's Tuesday, and I just wanted to share a few updates with you. As you can see, I'm at the airport today. We're traveling home again and excited to get home because we're excited about the Vloggers Extravaganza cruise next week. I wanted to start off today though by sending Gordon and I's most sincerest heartfelt condolences to Tony and Jenny. You know, Lido, Loca. They announced that they are not going to be able to be on our Vloggers Extravaganza cruise because they have had a death of a close family member. And so while we will miss them, we surely do understand and just want them to know that we send them our love and they are in our thoughts and prayers. So I hope that all of you will help us in thinking of them. And I know that they will leave a big hole not being able to come on the cruise. And so just know you will be missed. The next thing I wanted to let you know about is we have had to change the dates for our group cruise to Israel and Egypt. We were anticipating sailing on October 1st of 2024, round trip out of Athens, but we have changed and decided that we are going to go on October 11th of 2024 instead. That is the sailing just immediately following the one that we were going to be on. And you know, I was trying to be so careful when I chose the dates for our group cruise, but I totally missed, and I am so grateful to our Let's Go family member, Linda. She pointed out that during the time we would be there is Rosh Hashanah, and that is a very important and very special time to the Jewish people, and so many businesses will be closed as they observe that wonderful holiday and the special days to them. And so it would have been that the days on Thursday and Friday will be in Israel on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday on that cruise. Thursday and Friday, both days, everything would have been closed, and I don't want to miss getting to see all the wonderful things that we're going to see. So if you are interested at all, my email addresses are below this video. Send me an email and I'm happy to send you the information on that. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is, if you didn't hear my video, probably like a month or 6 weeks ago, I talked to you about the fact that Princess Cruises is going to reopen their sailing in Japan. It's going to start with this spring with the Diamond Princess. One of our Let's Go family members actually has one of those cruises scheduled and was so kind to let us know what the protocols are. If you are not familiar with this fact, if you go to princess.com, you can enter your booking number and then it will bring up what the protocols are for your cruise. And so that's how they found out. So I wanted to let you know, first of all, so this is important, I think, especially if you're thinking of cruising there, because I honestly think that the cruises in Japan are still a really good deal. But anyway, if you are ages 12 and up, you have to be vaccinated. If you're ages 18 and up and are eligible for a booster, you have to have had your booster. When you arrive there at the terminal, you are going to have to attest to having taken a rapid antigen test or a PCR test and being negative. They don't exactly say how you attest, but earlier this year when they were having people just attest, for example, the sailings out of Southampton, you just had to say that you took a COVID test and it was negative. So that's what's required there at embarkation, and that's for everyone aged 5 and up. And then also for masking, they say that if you are ages 5 and up, they recommend that you wear your mask on the indoor areas of the ship except for when you are eating or drinking. But you know, interestingly enough, it's not required. So I just thought that might help you inform your decisions if you are thinking about going on a cruise in Japan. Then finally, the last thing I want to ask for your expertise on Princess Alaska Cruise Tours. If any of you can comment and share your experience for the dining, I would really appreciate it. I know that the different lodges have different dining options. I know that there are meal plans that include, for example, like some breakfast and a lunch and a couple of dinners. But as we try to decide what would be best, would any of you like to share your experience? We'd really appreciate hearing from you, like what the options are. Is there a shuttle into town? I don't know that there is, but there could be. And so if you could share any information that you've got on eating while you're on an Alaska cruise tour, that would be really helpful. Gordon and I are going to try to get on an Alaska cruise tour this summer, and so I'll keep you updated if we end up being able to do that. So I really appreciate y'all being here with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We need you with us. If you appreciate these updates, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.